Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Man Meets Karma After Bullying No Nonsense Cop."
22. Officers received a call of a man sleeping on private property.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Just let you know I got body camera, right? What's going on, man?
What's the problem?
You're on someone's property, that's the problem.
I've been here for over 7 months or whatnot. I don't want to lie about it.
Okay, I appreciate that. You're on someone's property.
This is not no someone's property.
This is someone's property. Someone owns this land.
So the land where this car is parked at?
Yes, sir.
Someone's property?
Yes, sir. Someone farms this land. I hope you understand that land someone owns.
That's no problem. Because I was just resting. And I'm not sure you'll get in trouble because I was just resting and you disturbed my peace.
Right. So I'm gonna have to ask you to move along, bro, because you're on someone's property.
I'm not moving here. I'm not leaving from here.
All right, well, come on, let's go. I'm gonna ask you. You're either gonna.
I'm not leaving here because, for one,
okay.
I talk to the farmers. I get paid by the farmers.
What's their names? What's their names, and I'll call them.
I'm not sure about the name. I don't want to lie about
it. Then I don't believe you. Then, if you can't provide me a name to tell me who this is,
right?
Look, can you see the reflection of this brother in the window? This brother look like he built like the Rock, boy. Hold on, like this guy. Look at this guy. Look at the reflection on the glass, man. Oh yeah, yeah. He might want to tighten up, get it together, cause you might want to act right, boy. This guy here, look at this. He talking about he ain't moving. You ain't moving. Oh, you gonna move today. Come on, man. This is simple. He not even pressing the issue for real. This is something very simple. He's not pressing the issue for real. He's like, hey, all right, you're gonna have to get going, get moving. You know what I mean? That's it. So you don't gotta get in further trouble if you just get in your car, drive off, man. Just find another spot. The officer ain't trying to, do the extra stuff. That's it. Just go ahead. Go on about your business, man. You just can't be here. And look how he gonna mess this up.
I'm not moving here. I'm not leaving from here.
All right, well, come on. Let's have to ask you to move along, bro, because you're on someone's property.
I'm not moving here. I'm not leaving from here.
All right, well, come on. Let's go. I'm gonna ask you. You're either gonna.
I'm not leaving here because, for one,
okay.
I talk to the farmers. I get paid by the farmers.
What's their names? What's their names, and I'll call them.
I'm not sure about the name. I don't want to lie about it.
Then I don't believe you. Then, if you can't provide me a name to tell me who this is, right? I don't give a shit who you are, bro. Right. Do you know who I am? I'm covered. God? I don't believe in nothing. I don't believe in nothing. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. To move along, bro. Probably just come this way. I'm gonna ask you to leave, bro. There's no reason for us to have this.
Living God, you ain't talking like that. And you disturbing my peace, bro.
Yeah, I am disturbing their peace.
Disturbing my peace, bro.
And I'm gonna continue to disturb it. You ain't resting here, bro. You're on someone's property.
No,
I don't give a shit. You're on someone's property, bro.
Watch out, man.
Huh? You're on someone's property. I'm asking you to leave.
I'm not leaving.
Okay.
That officer stepped to him too, boy.
And neither am I.
Look, the officer stepped to him too. Like, what's up, man?
You're on someone's property, bro.
Watch out, man.
Huh?
Watch out.
Hold
up. I stepped closer. What's up?
I'm not leaving.
Okay. And neither am I. And neither am I. And neither am I.
Keep moving.
No, it's not no excuse me.
Excuse yourself. Keep moving, bro.
Do you really think I'm leaving right now?
Keep moving, bro.
Okay.
Keep moving, bro. I'm not. What's your point, bro? You know you disturbing my peace. You know who I am. How are you disturbing my peace?
Why don't you tell me who you are?
I'm your living God.
Okay.
Look it up. Somebody will tell you.
Okay.
Stop playing with me, bro. Find yourself, bro. Before I pray about you.
Pray about me, then.
For real.
Please pray about me.
Remove yourself.
Obviously, I'm not removing myself. Remove me.
Remove yourself.
Remove me.
I don't have to.
Yeah,
Bro.
remove me.
Thank you. I'm asking you to move, bro.
I'm not moving.
Okay, neither am I.
So, is there anything wrong with the city?
Don't
Is there anything wrong with the city? Don't do what? Oh, move around, bro. You're doing too much. Watch out.
Do not close that door on me, bro.
You are in my way. You are in my way, bro. Move.
You ain't going nowhere, neither am I.
May the Lord bless you. Move. Or curse you. Which one you want?
Move me or curse me, either one.
Which one do you want, bro?
Curse me or move me.
Which one do you want, bro?
Dude,
Which one do you
why
want?
are you here?
Which one do you want?
Are you homeless?
Why are you here?
Are you homeless?
Why are you here?
Can I help you get somewhere?
How can I help you?
Can I get you somewhere
Why are
where
you
can
here?
stay?
What's your problem?
Can I get you somewhere where you can stay at?
What is your problem?
Can I get you somewhere where you
What
can
is
stay?
your problem? What is your problem?
Can I get you somewhere where you can stay?
Hubbard, what is your problem, bro?
Can I get you somewhere where you can stay?
Oh boy, he got the black gloves. Wait, oh yeah.
What is your problem, brother?
Oh yeah, this brother about to get him together. Oh man.
I'm pretty sure I prayed a few times already.
Oh man.
What's your problem?
Oh man. Whew.
Don't you hear that? What's your problem? Hubbard, move, bro. Hubbard, move. I'm asking you to politely.
I've asked you to politely to move to.
I don't have to.
And I don't have to. I don't either.
I don't have to. You do.
You said you were going to curse me, so curse me.
Watch out, bro. Watch out. Hubbard, move, bro. Who are you with? You ain't even actually the sheriff department of Champaign County. And you should know that. You from Champaign County, then you should know what's going on. What's your problem? Hubbard, move. Get out the way, bro. Hubbard, move. Hubbard. Sir, dude. Watch out, bro. Watch out.
Do not try to close that door on me. Do you understand? Do you understand me?
Why is you approaching like that?
Do not try to close that door on me,
You are
bro.
no one in particular to be talking like that.
I don't care.
Bro, you're not my supervisor. I'm your living God, bro. Stop acting like that. Move, bro. You know I was just asleep, bro. Get out the way.
Shit, what you heard?
You interrupted my peace.
Good. You're on someone's
You interrupted
property.
my peace.
You're on someone's
Did they
property.
call the police?
Yes, that's
No, they
why I'm
didn't.
here.
No, they didn't.
That's the, bro.
Did the owners call the police?
Yes,
Did
that's
the
why
owners
I'm
call the
here.
police?
That's
Where
why
are they
I'm
at?
here.
Where?
That's why I'm here.
Where?
That's why I'm here.
Because the farmers know I'll be right here for 7 months, dude.
Okay, what are their
Stop
names?
playing with me, bro. Stop playing for real.
Can I
I
call
don't give
them?
a fuck. None of that. No.
Ask
No,
if
because you
that's
should have brought
okay.
them with you. You should have brought them with you. Why are you disturbing my peace? Get on. Hubbard, get on to your. Get on. Get your supervisor. Get on. Get on. Go get your
I don't
supervisor.
even know why you like me.
Go get your supervisor. Look how you approach, bro. I asked you what's the problem. Get on.
I told you the problem.
Get on. Why are you talking to a living God like
bro,
this?
don't you
Why are you talking to a
like
living
that?
God
You
like
understand
this?
me?
Why are you talking to a
Stand on me like that.
No, you walked up in my face.
I don't give a shit.
You walked up in my
You
face.
ain't going.
Stop talking to a living God like that. Stop playing with me, boy. Man, get your homie, bro.
You want to talk to him?
Get your homie. Ain't no talking, bro. I'm not leaving this spot, bro. You should feel it. I'm not gonna leave, bro. It's been 7 months, bro.
Deputy
My
Gabbard.
timing is the only timing.
Deputy Gabbard
My
trying to-
time is the only time.
Deputy Gabbard's trying to talk to you, bro.
Get off my car, please. Get off my car.
Oh, shit, I'm not moving.
Get off my car. Get off my car. Get off my car.
Relax.
Bro, why are you doing this, bro?
Bro, you gonna...
Let's pretend money back. Right up.
Let me die. Acting like this.
You should have.
Boom on the side. Hi, bud. Wrong.
Oh, we missed the whole thing. What the hell? Oh, knock. Crime Time Cam. What the hell y'all doing, man? What is this?
Let me die. Acting like this.
You should have.
Boom on the side. Hi, bud. Wrong side here.
Hubbard, I hope you have a heart attack.
Make it 5 you got 95.
Let's go.
Damn, I know the camera dropped, but we could at least heard the sounds. The ooh, ah, ooh, ah, 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 ah.
Stop moving, bro.
I'm in handcuffs already. I'm in handcuffs already.
Do you have anything on you that you shouldn't have?
I'm on video. I'm in handcuffs already.
Yep. I'm not choking you.
Choking my neck.
I'm grabbing your
Choking my neck.
I'm grabbing your shit.
Choking my neck.
Don't try to kick me either.
I'm trying to sit up.
Oh yeah, okay.
I'm trying to sit up.
Okay.
Get up off my body. Bro. I'm in handcuffs already.
I don't care. You just try to kick me.
I did try to kick you. I'm trying to sit up.
Do not try to kick me.
I'm not trying to kick you. I'm trying to sit up. I'm allergic to grass. I'm allergic to natural grass. Oh, get off my body. I'm trying to, first of all, I'm trying to sit up. I'm allergic to grass.
We're gonna get you up. But
Then do it. Do that first. I don't want to listen to nothing until you get my body up. Get me right up. Get me sitting up.
You keep kicking, they're not gonna
I
sit
want to get sit up.
Listen, we need you to relax and calm down, okay? Do that for me. Okay, I wasn't here, I don't know what's
First
going
of all,
on.
you
but
disturbed my peace. I was asleep.
Okay,
Why are you disturbing the living God's peace?
do me a favor. I'll take a deep breath and I'll get you up, okay? It's cold out here, nobody wants to deal with this.
Y'all better hope I don't. I'm going to pray, but I hope the Lord kills you.
Right now, come on,
Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. You sergeant, right? You the supervisor?
He's not.
Are you the supervisor?
I'm out here.
Bring the
assisting him.
supervisor.
I'm the supervisor.
All right, let's get up. Get up.
Okay,
Let's go.
Listen to me. Listen, if you
I'm not
kick anybody,
kicking. First of all, I'm not kicking. I'm not kicking.
Stop.
I'm not kicking. I'm ready to get the fuck up.
Stop.
I'm not kicking.
If you kick or do anything,
Bro, I'm not kicking. And I'm in handcuffs. That is illegal.
It is not illegal.
That is illegal.
If you kick,
Let's go.
or
Just
do
get
anything,
up.
I'm gonna teach.
Just get up, bro.
Just so you understand.
Just
That's
get
where we're
up.
at. Okay.
Don't worry about it. I'm not little guy. Y'all clear like this. Hurry up. 1, 2, 3.
Hang on.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Not on you. You get up and leave.
Bro.
All right? Otherwise, you're gonna keep sitting down.
1, 2, 3. Let's go. Get up.
Relax.
Lock my car doors. Hold on, I'm gonna lock my car doors. 1 second, fellas. Let me lock my car
No,
doors.
not 1 second. You don't tell
Aren't you the supervisor? Can I lock my car doors? Don't worry about it. I can lock them. No. Why am I being searched?
for defeat first, sir.
No.
I don't know if you have on it. Where'd you work, bud?
I can't.
Your feet.
I can't. Look at your partner with his leg on my leg, dude.
That's good.
No, what the?
Hey, what are you doing?
I can't do that. Your partner just did that. Talk to your partner about that, Hubbard. I just said your leg is on my leg.
Yeah.
You just spreaded it. Oh, y'all doing all this with the handcuffs on. Take the handcuffs off again, though.
Okay.
Take them off, though. Without the taser, without the gun, though. Lock the car. Lock the car, Hubbard, please. Lock the car, Hubbard. Lock the car, Hubbard.
Man, your car getting searched and towed, man.
Huh? Why are you acting like that? Why are you acting like that? Why y'all mad because I've been here for 7 months? Living God. I'm the living God, and you acting like that. I'm the living God, and you acting like that. Hubbard, you a bitch. You a. And I swear I put that on your own soul, Hubbard. I will beat your ass outside your gun, your taser, and your bass, pussy. And I put that on your soul.
Okay. Appreciate
Close the door, pussy.
Now you know he ain't brush his teeth. Oh man, this is foul right here, man. This is nasty work.
Outside your gun, your taser, and your bass, pussy. And I put that on your soul.
Okay. Appreciate
Close the door, pussy. Oh yeah, you about to put the locks on the
You're
leg.
kicking it, so.
You about to put the locks on the leg. Don't worry about it. I just know one thing,
What's that?
bro. I promise you.
You're the living God.
No, even that. I mean, I am living God. But I will fold your big up. You have your bags and your dude trying to do that hood headlock shit.
The what?
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Okay.
And I know one thing.
Some more?
You should be punished for interrupting my peace while I'm asleep.
All right.
The man was charged with trespassing and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's.
You know, every day is something new, man. I'm telling you, we got some wild creatures running around here, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. He said he been living on their land for 7 months. Rent free. Nah, Man, I don't get it, man. This is something that was so simple. The officer said, just go on, man. Go about your business, man. Just take off. That's it. It would have been nothing. No big deal. Calling out, got somebody on here. Okay, all right, man. You gotta move along, man. Can't stay here. And it just turned into a whole big ordeal because he wanted to show that he had bigger balls than the cop. That's all it was. This was a matter of who got the biggest balls. This is all this was. The way they both was boasting up in each other's face, talking crap, whatever. This is just a pissing match of who got the biggest nuts, man. This is testosterone at its finest, man. Now, can you imagine putting a whole bunch of men in one area? That's what prison is. Just a whole bunch of who got the biggest nuts, man, all day long. All day long. They want to show who's the toughest, who's this, who's that. Want to pick on this guy, want to do this, do that. That's all it is. All day long. This right here. Now just imagine a dorm or a cell block or whatever. That's 2 guys. Just add, we'll just say another 40 or 50 guys in one area. That's just one area. One block, one dorm. 48 guys to a dorm, to one officer. Some houses got 50, 60, 55 guys. 55 male inmates to one officer. Just a pissing match, man. That shit is insane, man. Officer, he did all right though. He get a 4. He get a 4. He did all right. But yeah, we missed a lot of the good part, man. At least we could have heard the sounds or something, man. Damn. But whatever. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.